I was just saying hi to my girl. You want to see my girl?
Yeah. One more for shine like this side, yeah. Every day, that's what you told.
What's up? So we came to the mall for white tees.
Fresh white tea.
Fresh white tees.
Fresh white tea.
Yeah, it's a nice day, but I don't got no t-shirt. Check out H&M, see what's going on in here. Hey, boo. I was just saying hi to my girl. I'm gonna introduce you to her. It's Sandra. Say hi. You want to talk? She's acting shy right now, so I'm gonna leave her alone. Bye, Sandra. Sandra's acting shy.
Sandra's the one. Don't talk back.
Yeah, but she working too, so I was at her job bothering her. She didn't like that. All right, where the white t-shirt then? Yeah, white. Yeah. Hit him with the burnt orange and ooh, but like 3 dudes at the party with the same shirt. I'm punching every one of them in the mouth. Yo, I don't think I like it enough. It loose.
Yeah, put some one in
I don't follow rules and they don't like that. I was skipping school to get my
Peace, love, and blessings to everybody out there. Welcome back to the channel Just Like That. You know who it is, the Yadi. Out here in Denver, Colorado today. Went to buy some white t-shirts. It's Memorial Day weekend. Say what's up to the driver. Whipping it.
Don't stop.
Don't stop at that. We have a pretty fun night last night. Went out to the town.
Who did you?
We did.
We did?
Yeah, you was there. I saw you. Like you was. I saw him there next to me.
Okay.
No face, no case. But right now we're gonna stop and get some food at Sam's number 3.
Yep.
Sam's number 3. It's a very good spot. I think they have about 4 around the city here. They do breakfast and lunch all day. Fire cocktails. But one thing though, the menus, I think the menu is just too big. It's too much to choose from, man. Like looking at a Chinese food menu. Yeah, but we're gonna check it out real quick, man. We got an outdoor patio too. We're out here working it. It's down here on 15th and Champa. Or 15th and Champa, or what? 15th and Curtis. Hey. And they got a nice little, excuse me, right here. What's up? How are you? You gotta scan the QR code in order so you can order food, drinks, and so forth when you come here. Alright, y'all, so just got my food. Also, I got a Irish coffee. It's tasty. But I got short stack pancakes, eggs fried over hard, turkey sausage, and some home fries. Irish coffee. Irish coffee is coffee with some Irish kick.
What's the Jamaican called?
What you got over there? You got some avocado, eggs, some toast, hash browns. He over there eating good. Look at him. Look, he happy as hell right now. Come on, now the OJ. Killing that white bitch. OJ! All right, but chow down real quick. Breakfast burrito. I love pancakes. Good. Try it. Get it all in one bite. Well, that food was delicious. I destroyed it. This is my bill right here. It's a pretty decent price. Eggs, turkey, sausage. All within $32 after taxes. It's really good. I like that deal.